347 small block Ford, just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. Got the Edelbrock air gap, Brawler carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. It's got the front end on it. Make sure the alternator charges. Aviaid Oil Pan. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,800, 400 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 432, and peak horsepower 485. So rate at 500, front end's about 15 or 20, so everything's good. Get off there, get in the crate, come your way, have a great day.